the holidays right around the corner and dinner parties in full effect, it's the perfect time to make sure that you have the right sounds and playlist for your next get-together. On this upbeat edition of Designing Spaces, we're teaming up with Pandora and Alexa to make your home everyone's favorite place to dance the night away. Alexa, play Dance on Pandora.
Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need.
Meet the Izzos, a busy family of 4. Denise and Brian spend most of their day working from home and taking care of their beautiful boys, Jax and Julian.
Life for us has been so crazy. We just had our second baby. He's 6 weeks old, so we're either chasing Jax and Julian around the house or we're working from home, and we just need some kid-free time.
So I invited some friends over to have dinner, listen to some music, dance, and just relax.
Yes, Mama needs some reggaeton and wine in her life. That reminds me, we have to figure out dessert and the playlist.
I'll take care of the dessert, you take care of the music.
That's why I love you. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
The kiddos are at their grandparents' house and everyone is on their way over to the Izzos. Time to get the food on the table and the vibes going.
Alright guys, dig in.
Let's do it. It looks amazing, by the
I
way.
am starving. Oh, we were waiting for you to cheers.
Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Good night.
Alexa, play dinner party music on Pandora.
Dinner party radio from Pandora.
Yeah, how's the cafe? How's it going?
Very well. We actually just got permits last week.
When do you guys plan on opening?
Maybe like 2-3 months.
But I hope you're ready for me to be at your cafe every morning. Can't wait.
We'd love to see your face every day.
Your sound system's amazing. Where'd you guys get it?
Amazon, like everything else.
Us too, I thought we were the only ones. We get everything on
I
Amazon.
thought the same thing. But honestly, I love anything that has Alexa built in. It's always convenient.
For sure.
Super convenient.
I think it's called the Polk React soundbar. I'll send you the link.
Yeah, send it to me for sure. I mean, at the house.
You guys aren't ready for this dessert.
If it's donuts, I'm all in.
You already know.
Hey babe, grab the speaker.
What's up, guys?
Hey.
Cheers.
Alexa, play reggaeton radio on Pandora.
Reggaeton radio from Pandora.
Whether it's a Polk React soundbar or a Bose portable smart speaker, Alexa and Pandora have you covered with all of your entertaining needs. To start playing your favorite tunes and take your music with you on the go, visit Pandora.com. To listen to Pandora on your Alexa built-in devices, enable the Pandora skill on the Alexa app.
I really needed this, babe.
I know.